Welcome back to your Kubo Data Science channel, Sweden. First of all, a big shout out to the 12 people who watched this video yesterday. Thank you so much for those 12 views. They're very important. Before we get started, of course, to have a question, a favor to ask, of course, that is click on the subscribe button. We're currently at 214 subscribers. Our goal is 220 by Sunday evening, so we need every subscriber we can get. Secondly, very important to click on that like button. And I'm going to say third and most important of all, click on that share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter today. You can also copy and paste the link to this video into an email or text message and share it that way also, okay? Now, before I get started, I have a sobering question to ask you. And I'm not sure anybody really wants to talk about it. That question is simple. Suppose COVID-19 never goes away in Sweden. Never goes away. How many deaths per year are going to be acceptable going forward in Sweden from COVID-19? Okay? So anyway, let's get on with the show here. As I remind you that Sweden only records deaths Tuesday to Friday, which means that Tuesday's numbers include Saturday, Sunday, and Monday's number, which produces an outrageous spike for that one day. So at this point, we're no longer concerned with the daily numbers of Sweden. We're only concerned with the trend, because the trend is our friend. Are the cases and deaths trending upward, or are they trending downward? Let's take a look here and see. Okay, you had a long declining pattern here, but we're now seeing a trend back up in cases, okay? Here's the same numbers based on the 28-day moving average. So the 20-day period ending July the 13th, you were averaging 291 cases per day. This is the daily deaths with the fitted line, the low-S line fitted on top. Okay. You can see the deaths are continuing to decline in Sweden. Again, here's those numbers for the 28-day moving average. For the 28-day period ending July the 13th, you were averaging 2.2 deaths per day. Weekly deaths, cases, you can see you had a couple spikes here, but overall, your cases are remaining very low on a weekly basis. And deaths, but your deaths are crazy low. I thought these two spikes here, your deaths were just crazy low for weekly deaths. Okay, look at these numbers for cases. Lowest number of cases since all the way back over here. Excuse me. Look at deaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. July is going to be the 6th month in a row, Sweden, where you saw you had a weekly, you had a month, you saw a decline in deaths on a monthly basis. Okay. But anyway, that does conclude the report today. Thanks again so much for the 12 people who watched this video yesterday. And of course, as always, click the subscribe button, click the like button, and most important of all, click on that share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also copy and paste the link to this video, uh, uh, in your email and text message and share it that way. Thanks so much, sweetie. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.